hi there, and welcome to the Soul Sister channel on this Sunday, October the 2nd. I've got your astrological forecast going from today through Saturday, October the 8th, and hallelujah, hallelujah, happy Mercury direct. We made it through, and the week ahead is all about assimilating all the energies we have been working with through the sun in Virgo and now the sun in Libra, working with this Virgo, Libra energy, working with them, bringing them together and having whatever we're working on, whether that be a project, a resolution, a proposal, a relationship, whatever it is, has a really good chance of coming to completion on Wednesday. Isn't that awesome? So, if we have done the work of Virgo, of really working with ourselves, of identifying what our passion is, what our unique characteristics are, what do we have to offer? That's what we worked with when the sun was in Virgo, getting to that true, authentic self. And then with the sun in Libra, how are we going to relate that true, authentic self to the other? And this week, we see it all come together, and it's about darn time, isn't it? So, today, Monday and Tuesday, it's like we're putting the finishing touches on. It's a great day to work with others. We're going to have a lot of support, a lot of buy-in. Great day for brainstorming Monday and Tuesday and setting our vision boards, getting everything together. And we're going to find that this week, especially with this Mercury going direct, oh my gosh, in the past couple of weeks where we're like, I'm not really sure whose side you are on. I mean, you kind of say you're supporting me, but you're kind of undermining me. Remember, we've had all of that. We've had a lot of people being offended and Debbie Downers and wah, and criticizing what we're working on. And now, this week, it all becomes so much more clear. Now, not only do we know who it is, we know more what the why behind it. What is motivating these people to try to undermine us and to try to take our power? We get it this week. And we're able to work with it. We don't have to be, now we kick in our Libra energy of being able to see where the other is coming from, see their perspective, and incorporate that in our own perspective and in our own beliefs. Now, sometimes that is just not going to work, is it? Sometimes we are just going to have to agree to disagree. But this is so important too. We can agree to disagree with the other and still honor them, still support and nurture them. And that is what is going on this week. Learning how to compromise, learning how to be inclusive, learning how to bring balance to the group and to bring completion and fulfillment on Wednesday to whatever it is that we're working on. So it is a great week. Like I said, to put the final touches in, don't forget the other. Make sure we're asking them for their opinion, their input, their support. They have something good to offer us and will really help us push our project forward. So don't leave the other out. They're a real important part of the equation this week. Tuesday at sundown, we have the beginning of Yom Kippur. And Wednesday, like I said, is a great day to finish it up, to complete. Put the period at the end of that sentence. We are done, baby. Lots of energy for completion on Wednesday. On Thursday, I forgot to mention, the moon is moving through Capricorn at the beginning of the week up until Wednesday. And so that gives us our practicality, our earthiness, our groundedness, our stability of what we're working on, giving it credibility so that others will support it. And then on Thursday, the moon goes into Aquarius and ends up in Pisces on Saturday. So when the moon moves into Aquarius Thursday and Friday, now it's like, oh wow, now again our imagination is activated and our ideas and creativity, and we're coming up with new ways to resolve old problems. And oh my gosh, that was so simple. It was right in front of me. And we can make a difference and we can be of service to others. I mean, whatever it is that we come up with on Thursday may help everyone do their jobs a little bit better. So be aware of that on Thursday. If we have this idea, don't let it go out the window. Grab onto that and process that and work with that a little bit further to see where it takes us. Then on Friday, guys, we are pooped because we've been going all week long and it's been going really well, and we're moving and we're progressing and we're moving with everyone and we have support and we're finishing up projects and now we have new ideas. And then Friday we're just like, oh my God, it's Friday. Thank you, it's Friday. I'm so tired. We're so tired on Friday. We don't even think we can go out after work and party and socialize. We just want to curl up on the couch and do some binge watching, or shoot, even take a bath and go to bed early because we are so exhausted after the week. But it's a good exhaustion. It's an exhaustion of being productive and getting our work done. And then on Saturday, we have Pluto joining Mercury, going direct, ending our week on a really good note, as well as the moon in Pisces. So not only is Saturday a great day to check in with our higher self if we haven't been doing it on a regular basis. The veil is thin on Saturday. So especially with these ideas that were coming up the other day, me might want to hook up with higher self in quiet and centering, whatever meditation means to us, whether it is guided, whether we take a walk in the woods, whether we ride our bike, whether we do our gardening, whatever it is that allows our brain to relax so that we can be open to that part of ourselves and that is greater than what we can experience in this physical body, and get information and creative ideas. It's a wonderful day on Saturday just to hook up with higher self and feel that relationship grow and nurture it and feel how it is supporting us as well as those around us in the physical world. And since it's in the moon is in Pisces, it's a great day for a date night where we take our partner to the movies to see something romantic, or even a romantic candlelight dinner, something that we made ourselves, a meal that our partner really loves. Also a great time to let our partner know just how much we appreciate them and love them. So it's a great ending to a fantastic week, except for those who are experiencing the effects of Ian. I want to reach out to all of you and say that I am sending, and we are sending, all the light and love we can so that you can heal as quickly as possible. Our thoughts and prayers go out to you in Florida who are suffering the devastating effects of this hurricane. So keep those affected by Ian in our thoughts and prayers this week as well. And don't forget to come visit me on Facebook at Soul Sister Cat for my daily inspirational oracle messages and my memes that kind of talk to us. I'm trying to think of something creative to say here, but they're pretty unique and quirky, just like me. Let's get the week started on a good note. Let's get on a good note, as well as you might want to consider getting started on a good note every day with this exercise. We're going to take our 3 deep cleansing breaths, and then we will say our Sun in Libra affirmation. So let's take our 3 deep cleansing breaths and get ready for this incredible week of positive energy ahead that we're going to grab onto and use to the fullest. Let's take our first breath. On this first breath, we release all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our physical etheric bodies. Second breath. On this second breath, we release all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our emotional astral bodies. One more. On this third deep cleansing breath, we release all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We see all the disease, darkness, all the negativity, all the toxicity. We see it as this dark, murky, liquid stuff just flowing out of our bodies. We see it flowing away. And then in its place, we see coming in from the top of our heads this beautiful white light. Now this white light is made up of light, love, and goodwill. It's filling our entire bodies with this beautiful light. And not only is it filling our bodies, it is protecting us and is deflecting all evil, all low vibration, all negativity back to its source. While we are in this space of white light connected with our higher selves, we are going to say our Sun in Libra affirmation. I set my sight on the northern light of my higher self. I do not allow any outer world distractions to pull me from my path. We'll say the affirmation together and we'll stay in this space of white light connected with our higher self for 5 seconds. If we choose to do this meditation during the week, stay in the space of white light for 5 minutes. Let's say the affirmation together. I set my sight on the northern light of my higher self. I do not allow any outer world distractions to pull me from my path. Good, good. And remember that this week, that don't give up the farm just because we want everyone to play nicely together. I was thinking about it when we're doing the affirmation. Part of the test, part of the balance, part of the trick to using the Libra energy is to be able to honor the other without compromising ourselves. So that's what we're going to be doing this week. Please remember the keynote from the Soul Sister channel. Life is lived from the inside out. Make it a great week and enjoy this wonderful energy that we are experiencing. Namaste.